Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the July edition of the top 5 tutorials for After Effects, and we're just halfway through the year. This is madness. Alright, as always, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos, subscribed and give us a like, and also for those of you who have signed up to the newsletter. I genuinely really appreciate it. The last couple of videos I've spoken about a script that I'm working on. This is still happening and sadly going a little slower than I had planned. I've been juggling some freelance work, but I am back on it now. Nothing to show as of yet in terms of UI, but I promise it is on its way. Alright, let's dig into these videos. So first up, we have this visual effects breakdown and tutorial by Ignace Aleya. Ignace walks us through 3 of the effects that are used in the new Marvel series Loki, and what we look at are the time reset effect, the transforming effect, and also the portal effect. I feel like I repeat myself all of the time, but looking at how effects are created really helps you understand the effect and then in essence recreate it for yourself. The first 2 effects are using After Effects only, and the third effect uses Cinema 4D, which is great if you've never dabbled in it before. The second video this month is by Jake in Motion. I feel like it's been a minute since Jake has uploaded to YouTube, but it's great to see a few more tutorials come through recently. This one in particular is very helpful. What you learn to do is take a static texture, and with the help of the offset effect and a simple expression, you make the texture animated at random. You can then use the animated texture in the background of your video, and it helps just add a little bit more depth to your scene. Go on, check it out. The third video is by Smertimba graphics, and I think this is one of the first transition tutorials I've ever covered. Transitions make up the bulk of how we move from one scene to another in motion graphics and visual effects. This could be 2D vector animation, or in this instance, 2 videos. But I'd highly recommend digging in and learning this new technique. The fourth video comes from one of our already featured motion designers, and this is Manuel does motion. Sometimes the simplest tutorials are the best, and sometimes the simplest ideas are the hardest to figure out. Is it easy to move an object along a path? Sure, but how do you actually do it? Manuel breaks this down very cleanly, quickly, and you'll be moving your objects in no time. Check it out. And the final video for July's Roundup is by none other than CM de la Vega. This video is another really cool look at breaking down some of the effects we see of sporting highlights. I know I've seen a lot of these around and I'm really digging this emerging genre. CM breaks these down and then recreates them. You'll see a whole host of methods used from plugins to expressions and even some stock footage. I hope to see more of these types of videos, as there is always something to learn. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.